Hello children, today we'll be doing English grammar. 23rd lesson, that is capital letters and punctuation. Okay, capital letters and punctuation. Okay, we have done with words and sentences. That was the first chapter. And the second chapter we have done with this. Apna. I'll be showing you with a, an and the, that is 13. Now we will doing 23rd lesson, that is capital letters and punctuation. Okay. Now see here children. Let us get started. Read the passage about a peacock. This is a peacock. About the peacock we are reading. Okay. Now it is like a composition about the peacock. Few sentences about the peacock. How the capital letters are used. How the punctuation means comma, full stop, question mark is given, where to write capital letter. They have said in this. The peacock is one of the most beautiful Indian birds. It has a crown on its head. When you finish, then the capital letter begins. It has a dark blue body with a long tail made of green, blue and golden feathers. Now you can see over here question mark. Green, blue and golden feathers. Okay. In the rainy season, it spread out its feathers and dances. We can see peacock in small fields and forest. Have you seen a peacock dancing? So this is the question. Have you seen a peacock dancing? It's a question mark. Now when we start writing, first thing it should be in the capital writing. When we finish the sentence, then there is a full stop. Then we have to write with the capital writing. Another thing, see about the peacock only, it has a dark blue body with a long tail made of green, comma. 3-4 colors are used like green, blue and golden. 3 colors are there. So green, comma, blue and golden feather. Then full stop. Okay. Listen children, how you should use capital writing, full stop. When you start the word, you should write in the capital. When you finish it, then put a full stop. When you start, after full stop, you have to start with the capital, right? When you say something about it, 2 or 3 good things, it has a blue, green, golden feathers, then blue, comma, green and golden feathers. Okay? When there is a question type, question is there, then you have to put a question mark. Over here you can see, have you seen a peacock dancing? It's a question mark. Means, आपने कभी देखा है peacock को dance करते हुए? They are asking you the question. So it's a question mark. Yes or no? Now we'll see this. Did you notice how the capital letters, comma and full stop and question mark are used? Yes or no? Look at these sentences. This bag is full of books. Okay. Where is your bag? So where is your bag? आपका bag किधर है? There's a question. We are asking you the question. आपका bag किधर है? So it's a question. This bag is full of books. यह bag books से भरा हुआ है. It's not a question. It is a sentence. So you have to write with capital writing. Then you have to put a full stop. Okay, child? Now, next. We put a question mark at the end of the question. We put a question mark. First we put or at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence. We put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Yes or no? When there is a question like, where is your bag? It's a question mark. When there is a sentence completing, this bag is full of books. This is a sentence. So we have to put a full stop. We have to start with the capital writing and then put a full stop. Okay children? Now next, we use capital letters in the following cases. At the beginning of the sentence, example, the car is parked outside. At the beginning of the sentence, the car is parked outside. This is a sentence. So it is written in the capital writing over here and a full stop over here. At the beginning of the special names of the people's name, place and animal, we also use them to write the names of the day, months, river, sea, mountains and festival. Okay, these sentences are written in the capital writing. Which names? People's name, like your name, you write with the capital writing. My name, I write with the capital writing. All the names are written in the capital. Name of the place, like Mumbai, okay, Chennai, Bangalore, you have to write that also in the capital writing. Animals name like lion, tiger, that you have to write in the capital. We also use them to write the names of the days, months, river, days of the month, okay, days, then month, Sunday, Monday, January, February, that you have to write all in the capital writing. River's name, sea's name, mountain's name and the festival name. They have written over here. That all you should write in the capital writing. Okay, children? Now go to the next page. Okay? We write the letter when we speak of ourselves. For example, Sai and I are going to Goa. Okay, we write the letters. To write the letters, when we speak of ourselves, when you speak, that time, that words come automatically in your words. Okay, we use a comma to separate two or more naming words or describing words in a list of words. When comma is given, 2 or 3 words are there. Same, they are telling the same thing, describing about one thing. Then we have to put the comma. For example, the large, colorful birds, bluebird flew in the sky. The large, comma, colorful. One bird is there. They are telling 2-3 things like a large, colorful, blue bird flew in the sky. Meena, Shobha and Tina went on a picnic. So Meena is a girl, comma, Shobha is a girl and a Tina went on a picnic. Okay, here they are describe about the bird. That is large, it is large, colorful and a blue bird. Here 3 friends are went on to a picnic. They have gone to a picnic. Okay, now next we will be doing, that is, rewrite the sentence. Now, question A. Rewrite these sentence using capital letters. You have to see here. Capital letters, full stop and a question mark. Okay, child? Now, let us see. Shiba, question number 1. Shiba and Hari are cousins. Shiba and Hari are cousins. So, you can see over here S. S is small. So, you have to write it big. When you write, I don't have place over here, child. Down. And it will be mess. So, I am writing over here. You have to write in your notebook. You have maintained one notebook for your what you write. In that book you write. Better you write in that book. This I'll be writing here only. Shiba. So, S is big. So, S-H-E-E-B-A. Shiba. And Hari. H is big. Name of a boy. H-A-R-I. Hari are cousins. I write over here only. Children, please don't do that. You write in your notebook. Sunny lives in Rawdon Street. It's the name of a place. So, Sunny, it should be come in big capital writing. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives on Rawdon. R-A-W-D-O-N. Rawdon Street. Okay. Now, next. I will go to Mumbai next week. I will come capital over here. Will, W-I-L-L, will, G-O, go to Mumbai. It's the name of a place. So, it should come capital over here. Mumbai, M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Next, N-E-X-T, next. week. Okay, children? So you have to see that the where you have to write capital, it's a name of a where you have to write capital, it's name of a child. Okay, you have to remember that when you are writing, you have to remember it, that I am writing correct or no. Okay, child? You have to see that I am writing the correct thing. When you are writing, you have to write in the correct way. Write Sheba and Hari are cousins. So Sheba and Hari are cousins. Okay. Now over here, Sheba and Hari are cousin. So Sheba ka S will come capital and Hari's H will come capital. Okay. Now Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, Sunny lives in random R. This R also will come capital. So R. Okay. It's name of a place. So random street. Sunny lives on random street. Okay. Okay. It's R will be capital. Now I will go to Mumbai next week. I will come capital. I will come capital over here. Will go to Mumbai. It's name of a place. Mumbai. M will come capital next week. Okay. Now, Golu. G will come capital. G will come capital. And K will also come capital. Now see. Golu the dog and Kitty. Kitty is name of a cat. It's a name of a cat. Kitty the cat are Viju's pet. Okay, Viju is name of a girl. Viju's pet. So, Golu, G will come capital. G-O-L-U, Golu, the dog. And Kitty, K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty, the cat. You have to write that capital, children. Are Viju's, V-I-J-U-S. V should be capital. Viju's pet. Okay, children. Now next, W will capital. W is the first letter. It's very small. They have given. You have to write it capital. Who wants to go to picnic? So who will come? W will come capital. Wants. W-A-N-T-S. Wants. T-O-2. Go on a picnic. P-I-C. N-I-C. Then who wants to go on a picnic? It's a question mark. They are asking you. Who wants to go for a picnic? Kisko picnic jana hai? Who wants to go on a picnic? Okay. Now here. Why are you so late? Someone is asking you. Why are you so late in school today? So why? W will be coming as a capital letter over here. Why are you so late? It will come question mark. Okay, child? Now, it is a great idea. It is a great idea. So, it, I will be capital. It is a great, G-R-E-A-T, great idea. Okay, put a full stop. When you finish with the sentence, see, you can see over here, full stop. I have given you full stop over here. When there is a question mark, Viju's pet. Okay, when there is a question mark, who wants to go to a picnic? It's a question mark. Then why are you? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? It is a great idea. Put a full stop. Okay, we will reach the zoo soon. Now, we will reach the zoo soon. So, you have to put a full stop. Okay, now we must keep our classroom clean. We must keep our classroom clean. Put a full stop. Okay. Now, trees are our friends. So, trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Trees are our friends. Okay, put a full stop. Understood this? Now let us read one time. Shiba, S will be big, and Hari are cousin. Put a full stop. This is a sentence. So we have done with the sentence. So put a full stop. Now Sunny lives on Random Street. Sunny, S will be big, and Random, R will be big. And street, after writing the sentence, put a full stop. Over here I have done with it. Okay. I will be big, will go to Mumbai. M will be big next week. It's a name of a place. Okay. Now Golu, it's name of a dog. So G will be big, and Kitty is the name of a cat. Kitty, the cat, are Viju's pet. Okay. Now who? W, it's a question. So W, first letter should be big. Who wants to go on a picnic? Question mark. Who wants to go on a picnic? Why are you so late? W will be big. First letter should be capital. Why are you so late? IT, it is a great idea. It is a great idea. I should be big. Then full stop. After finish writing the sentence, put a full stop. We will reach the zoo soon. We will reach the zoo soon. So W will be big, and soon with after that full stop. We must keep our classroom clean. Full stop. Okay. W should be big. Trees are our friends. Put a full stop. Okay, children. Now, this part we'll be doing next week. Okay, children. So, thank you, children.